Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out this fantastic desk clamp power strip. Guys, tell me you haven't been here, down on all fours, trying to figure out what you can unplug to plug in something extra, all under your work desk. Not anymore. This desk clamp power strip has a 3-meter long flat facing cord, and you can fit so many different things here. It is structurally built so well. I am really impressed. And I also love the fact that at the back it is smooth, so it will just butt up against the wall. This little guy definitely packs the punch. It has the 4 regular power ports, 2 USB, and then 2 USB-C ports, and its own on-off button, which for me is great, especially if I have my coffee mug warmer plugged in. I can just switch that off and know that I am going to be okay for the rest of the day. And as a plus, you can attach this clamp to anywhere it can fit, from a shelf in my bedroom, also another side of my desk. I can angle it differently if I need to use it for different things, and I honestly love it. That's my point of view.